Alright, this video is just going to show you some basic navigation of the Math 154 website for Blackboard. You'll notice that when you open the page, you're going to get an announcement. Usually each week I will post an announcement that reminds you what assignments are due this week. You do have quite a few things due the first week, so just be aware of that. Under that is the syllabus. So on the syllabus, it opens up to my page, the actual syllabus. I have my contact number here. The best way to contact me, though, is going to be by email. So if you want to contact me at any point in time, just send me an email and I can get in touch with you. As you scroll down through this, it just has the basic information about the course. You will need to have the guided workbook from the library, from the bookstore. And that includes your MyMathLab Access. And also you need to make sure that you have Excel on your computer. That is downloadable for free using Office 365, and that's available for free through Germana. And then we have the basic other information about the course. It tells you what you're going to have to do, some add-drop information. So you can look at the syllabus at any point in time. There's also a downloadable version of the syllabus right below that. You can print a copy of it or have a copy to save onto your flash drive if you want to. The next thing that you'll notice in the Blackboard site is there's a video links. So under the video links are links to videos that we've made for the course. The navigation video, of course, is out there. The video for the different Excel files are available out here that you can watch, and that will help you with some of the different Excel files. And you can just let me know if there's anything you can't get in touch, get to open. The next thing is the course materials. Under the course materials, you'll notice there's something for each chapter. So the course materials are going to contain information like sample notes that you might be interested in. Some of the Excel files will be available there also. The notes are just to help you with the material. They aren't required, but you are able to take that information and transfer it to your spiral notebook, and you can use that for your test. Also available here is your MyMathLab Access. When you click on the MyMathLab Access, you'll get a number of different options. You can click on any one of the links and it'll take you to MyMathLab. I have it opened here because it wouldn't let me link on it earlier. So when you open up MyMathLab, this is what you're going to get. Under the e-text, that's where you're going to have access to your e-text. The introduction is the first thing that you're going to be looking at. And you're going to be wanting to click on the Explore. And it's very, very important throughout this course, because it is an online course, that you watch the videos and you take the notes on the videos. You can take notes in your guided notebook, and you can also take notes in your spiral notebook as you go through this. So the video links, if you look on these different pages, there are videos throughout the text. Here's an example of a video. You need to make sure that you watch these videos, especially for Unit 1 or the introduction, that you will be expected to turn in the spreadsheet that you created when you go through this video. So make sure that you watch the videos carefully throughout the whole section. And here's another video that you can watch, and it tells you how to do some of the information that you need to do. Also in MyMathLab, if you go back, you will see the different assignments, and under the assignments, you'll see the homework assignments. These assignments will be graded automatically. You have an infinite number of attempts until the deadline to do the problems, and you can potentially get 100% on each of them. If there are any questions that you have difficulty with and you want to email me, there is a link. If you look in the top right hand corner of the questions, there is a link on the question that says question help, and you can usually ask my instructor and it will send me a copy of your question for you to ask. So that's pretty much it in MyMathLab. So back to Blackboard. The next thing you would see is the assignments. Under the assignments are the links where you're supposed to upload your information. There's a student introduction lab. You're going to want to download that and fill in the information and then upload it back into the form. The sales order form, that is when you're watching the videos that I was just showing you on MyMathLab, you will be creating an Excel spreadsheet called sales order form, and you'll want to upload your final video here. The first assignment that you have is a budget Excel file, and the template for the Excel file is here, and if you click on that, it will download a copy of this Excel file for you. And you are going to be completing the assignments on the Excel files, and there's usually a different Excel file due each week, and those will be turned in on the assignment tab. So over here are the directions on how to do the Excel file, and you just need to follow through the directions. And again, any questions you have about those, you can email me and ask me questions about them, or you can go back to the video links and watch the video links on those Excel files. The Student Resources tab is information from Germana concerning tutoring and other information that you might be interested in, especially the Testing Center. You need to be very aware of the Testing Center hours. You do have to take your midterm and final in a Testing Center, so you need to make arrangements to make sure you're there on time. Then there's some information about me if you'd like to read that information. And then the last thing is my grades, and that's going to tell you any grades that you have in the class. You'll notice that the introduction and the sales order form and the budget Excel sheet are already out there. Those are some files, and there's also a couple of other files that are out there that are already in the assignment tabs that you can look at as you go along. So I hope this helps, and I hope we're going to have a great semester. If you have any questions as the semester progresses, feel free to email me and we will work things out. Have a great semester.